Hi, this is Kelly here with Enjoy Reading Usborne, and today we're in our Did You Know series. We are going to talk about spring cleaning your bookshelves, your children's bookshelves. So, how many of you, when you go in to see the bookshelf, you're like, oh dear heavens, what a mess, and your child has put away their books, right? Well, I'm going to give you some fabulous tips that you can take and you can run with and hopefully get you organized and help your kids where it's easier for them to pick up. Okay, so the very first one, what you're going to do is you're going to clean off the shelves, everything on the shelves, okay? Everything that is not a book, you're going to take off, all right? And I've already done that. So, you might find random toys, you might find games, puzzles, you might even find a sippy cup, right? Have you found a sippy cup full of milk that's curdled somewhere in your house? Maybe on the bookshelf? I found them in the toy box. Yes, many a times. So, step two, what you're going to do is you're going to organize. You're going to go through the books. And if your child is preschool or older, they can absolutely help you with this, okay? So you're going to let them pick out their favorite books, put them in a pile, okay? And then the books that they're about, put them in another pile. The books that are torn or ripped or have seen better days, put them in a different pile, okay? The books that they absolutely love and still enjoy reading, you're going to keep them and you're going to put them on the bookshelf, all right? The books that are you're going to donate somewhere. Go ahead and donate them to a library, a hospital, a school, a daycare, a church nursery. There's lots of places that love free books, okay? So, or take them to half-price books and sell them. Cha-ching, right? Okay, so what you can do, there's different ways to organize. Some of us are a lot more, we have more of an organizing flair to us than others. I am not an organizer, okay? Just saying. So I'm going to show you some different ways that we can use what we can do. If you want to just try this out, go ahead and get cereal box. I happen to have a Minute Rice box. You cut out the side so you make it look like a magazine, one of those magazine holders. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to find some books that'll fit right in there, okay? And then I'm going to put them on the shelf. Ta-da! They're nice and they're neat. I have an actual magazine holder here, and what I'm going to do is put these sticker books and art books in here, and I'm going to stick them on the shelf. Okay? If you have smaller books, such as board books, such as chapter books, I have some right here that I'm going to stick in this crate. And I'm going to stick it right here. Now, picture books. You're going to ask, what do I do with those picture books? I have a bin that I'm going to put. You can also get one of those cloth bins. But what's nice about these bins, even a cloth one that you can do, is that children can take the bucket or the bin and they can flip through to see which book they want. It's a lot more interesting to the child to see the actual picture. So we're going to stick this up here. Okay, so already this is looking a lot neater. Now, let me tell you, one tip that I have for you, if you want to step up your organizing game a little bit and you want it easy for your kids to pick up, who wants it easy? Me, right? Okay, so because they'll just end up, your books will end up like this again, right? So let's say your child is into trains, loves trains. Get some index cards. Google the image train. Print out a picture of a train, write the word train up there, and then tape it with some packaging tape right up here. So your child can associate train books in here, right? Magic Tree House, right here. This is Billy B and Hey Jack, right in there. If you have That's Not My series, I recommend keeping those. So if you say, oh, I have a preschooler, we don't need those board books anymore. You do, because they're great reading books. They're a great beginning reader. The other thing is, if you have books that you're like, oh, I just want to get rid of, rotate them. Just rotate them like you do your toys. Take out so many, and then every couple months, bring them out, switch them out. Easy as pie. So I hope you learned something today. Have a great spring cleaning, and we will see you soon.